Hey guys, good morning. I woke up like about 9:15. I'd woken up a bit about 6 o'clock because the sleep had cracked, and then I slept. I guess I don't know. I'm not sure if I slept or just lying in bed, but I think I would have slept because when Mamta came in, she would have rang the doorbell and I didn't hear it. Then she called me. She was like, "Darwaja door kholo," whatever she said, and that's when I woke up. Now the problem is I have severe neck pain, which was there yesterday also, but this morning when I woke up, it got worse. I have already planned to see an ENT today because of the whole swimming thing, and I have few more questions to ask the ENT. I have an appointment at 12:45. Now I'm also forced to see the physio, so I called the physio. The physio I visited like about 2 years back, and I visited her pretty regularly then. But I've been in touch, so I called her. She's like, "I'm there. You come whenever you want." So I'll have to visit the physio and the ENT. Damn it, my neck is paining a lot. There's like a stone in the middle of my neck. I hope it's not because of the deadlifts I did yesterday. I do hope it's because of whatever the sleep, whatever the pillow or something. I'm hoping it's because of that. Because it could be worse. Because if it's because of the deadlifts, it could be pretty bad. So I'm hoping it's not because of that. Alright, cool. Alright, so I have to see a couple of doctors today. So I'll do that. Then I have a lot of work to catch up on and catch up with you as well. Try to be happy. Please try to be happy. It matters. That's what our lives are about. Trying to be happy. And happiness is possible. You know, like I keep saying sometimes when I'm happy because I want to inspire you to be happy as well. Alright, so right now I'm not happy because I'm in pain, but when I'm happy, I'll say I'm happy, so that so it inspires you to try to be happy. Okay, I'll catch you. Bye.
Alright guys, so I've been treating myself medically since morning. My neck's way better. I just had a 45-minute session with the physio, and once she did some acupuncture initially, and she's like, "Say relief milega," and then she put some warm compress, some sort of machine, and made me lie down for about 20 minutes. So the whole operation lasted about 20 plus 35 minutes. The whole session was about 40 minutes and all. And the neck is way better since morning. Like if I compare it to morning, it's at least 60 to 70% better. There is still some stiffness and pain, but I think she said come tomorrow also. It's one more session, and I think it should be fine. Couple of precautions I need to take, and I need to try and sleep without a pillow because pillow is clearly affecting my. And I've been having the same feeling that something happened between the pillow and my neck, so that affected my neck's muscles or whatever. And the second thing, also need to, when I read or look at the phone, I need to keep my eyes. I need to keep my phone, and when I read the book, I need to not bend my neck. I need to keep my neck, eyes at. I need to keep the book and the phone or whatever I'm attending to at the eye level. So the idea is not to bend the neck. If I bend the neck, it'll happen again. So the idea is not to bend the neck. So I'm going to invest in that also. This year I'm going to ensure that I do everything to make my health perfect. Okay, so I'm making some more small mistakes. This neck pain was clearly a mistake. Swimming, what I started with, and the mistake that I made, that I covered. I did not cover my ears, but she said the hearing you affected impairment that you're feeling is also because the wax isn't there in your ears for several years. You haven't got them cleared, and sometimes the wax clears on its own, sometimes it doesn't. Because in some people the ear shape is like that, the wax doesn't clear on its own because the wax is supposed to clear on its own otherwise. In my ears, it doesn't happen, so I need to get the wax cleared once in a while. Alright, so my neck is better. Yes, it's way better. It's like more than 50% better, it's not 60%. So yeah, I'll have to visit her. It's an expense, I spent 1800 rupees, and in fact I've spent all my savings this year on my health. And I'm depleting it all. But I'm considering this whole thing as an investment, because once I hit the fitness level that I'm aiming to reach, I think it should all pay off. Alright, so right after visiting the doctors. So obviously I'll think about what they said and how do I need to apply it long term. But I'm better for now. Alright, so I hope you're having a good day, good night, good evening, whatever part of the day you are at. Try to be happy. That's something I'll keep reminding you all the time. Okay, take care of your health. Health is the most important. Because you're not healthy, then you're useful for no one. Not for your colleagues, not for your family, not for your friends. So ensure that your health is your top priority. So I visited 2 doctors, guys, today. An ENT, ear, nose, throat specialist, and 1 physio. मेरे नेक में वैक्स घुस गया और कान में स्पेन आ गया सोने की वजह से. Hey guys, good evening. The day review. Today it is a bit of a medical attention day because I woke up with a severe neck pain. I had such severe neck pain, I almost felt like I had a rock in the middle of my neck when I woke up. And so I had to urgently visit a physio, and visiting an ENT was also due anyway because the swimming had clogged my ears. So I scheduled both of them today. I went to the ENT first, who told me there's wax stuck and she'll clear the wax in 2 days. Before that, I need to put some ear drops. And the physio, thankfully, she helped me with giving some relief to my neck, and because of that I could hit the gym in the evening. But I had to rest a bit in the afternoon because it was still paining. It's still paining right now, although the pain is about 40% of what it was in the morning. So yeah, overall the 2 shows got cancelled today also, so the day was relatively slower, and I still have a bit of neck pain and I'm feeling tired now. I did have a pretty decent bachata class, so I think overall the day was about 6 on 10. The shows didn't happen. I had to visit doctors, so overall I think not my usual day, but fine, happens sometimes and it'll happen. Try to be happy, it's important. Pay attention to your health, it matters. Bye. For some reason I got reminded of the quote right now. There's this quote by one of my all-time favorite authors, Helen Keller. And I can't talk about the story of her life, but I'll tell you, she wrote this, right? And your confidence and your dignity, okay, is the most important part of your life. Never let anybody take that away from you. So Helen Keller said, and I quote, never go your head. Never go your head. Always hold it high. Look the world in the fucking eye. She didn't say fucking. Never bow your head. Always hold it high. Look the world in the eye.